Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Welcome, my people. Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in the video, a female said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that she's a teacher, and she explained a situation that she said happened between her and a certain amount of persons at her job. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, the female seems as if she was upset when she did this video. See? And some of the words that the female said in this video, you might not be able to hear clearly, viewers and subscribers, because in the video, the female was crying. See? But if you listen carefully, you might be able to get an understanding about the whole situation that she said happened, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And I would like you to tell me, what would you do if you find yourself in a situation that the female explained in this video, viewers and subscribers? Alright? Anyways, tell me what you think about the things that she said. Here's the video. Observe.
I'm at home. And I just need to share my story right here because I'm tired. And I don't know how much I could take anymore dealing with these people here and their vindictiveness. So, you know, after you go to school with your mind made up that the job, you do your best. I've always been that type of teacher. I have never find myself to be one teacher know I want to do a job or have problem doing a job or not do it to the best of my ability because that's not me. Anyways, I have to say because I can't take it no more.
She seems really upset, you know?
I can't keep quiet of what people do to me. You know how did it break me down so harsh? So I got in school and I've been home before like 10, 30, 11, so like 10:45 I was called up to the office. And I'm like, where it could be? I mean, I had done. I didn't even know what happened. The principal wants to see miss. The school garden from the principal wants to see miss. Who I stayed in my class. So I was staying in your class, so I stayed in your class. Anyways, the school garden took over. You know, school garden no business in the classroom. Anyways, she took over for a long time and they could ask me. Because I got up. And I meet the principal there behind her desk. The VP is down by the door, and then I saw another lady. I guess she's our local manager. One of the local manager. And I stood up and I stood up for a while, and she said, "Have a seat, miss. You're here because we need to talk about the letter where you sign. Where you get my liar was signed. But that's a different issue. So, and that issue done gone. Well, I like, why you are going to talk to me about a liar letter? Where?
There you?
I think that me done handled already. And you are bringing that up back. For what? Tantalize me? Anyways, she started to talk about the letter. I mean, signed the letter about the liar. And the liar me wrong. And how me I go tell the liar how. Oh, blatant lie that we had to call the office for use bathroom. But that's not blatant lie. That's the truth. We may have to call office. That was told. That we have to call office for use bathroom during the COVID time. And that, every liar make a mistake because we don't work with 6 hours. The point is, miss, the point is all the point, yeah, is that liar me get, yes, we got, I signed on to the letter of getting that liar. Yes, I did, because I felt that my rights was infringed upon when people vote for me, because I have to stay in our classroom during lunchtime, and then my lunchtime got cut half an hour. And then I can't leave the compound At no time during lunchtime, I just felt like that are my rights for me to have my 1 hour lunch and where and how I wanted my hour lunch. I just felt that are my rights. So I actually, yes, I got it. I signed on to the liar letter.
So there are certain things that she with.
This lady had to talk and tell me that thinking about it. So he continued talking about the letter and how disrespectful the letter was, disrespectful to the management, disrespectful to everything or everybody, and how the letter now we're going up to the she carry we at the board and they have a board meeting and they have fire we and she don't want me that for she school system anymore. All the thing is they tell me I don't say nothing. I don't tell her didn't know me yet. And then
because you do things illegal way.
Right, I get a letter because I didn't attend church Sunday, Mother's Day service Sunday. I didn't attend church not because I didn't want to, but because I was sick.
Okay.
I don't even know my close friends. You know that I had problem with my throat the whole weekend. And I never gone because I said I don't know what I could go home. I stay home. So lo and behold, I get a letter to stay because I stayed home for church and I didn't go. No. I will post up the letters all over and I will post up my response because I don't understand. So I said, well, it's my right. It is my right to respond to a letter and say what is my part. I mean, I have a voice. I need to be heard too. So I write back one letter, and I took it today and I put it on the principal desk. I said, "Good morning, miss." And I put it on the principal desk.
Okay.
As a response to her letter that she wrote, that she gave me an oral reprimand. And I respond back to that oral reprimand.
By a letter?
Anyways.
Okay. Calm down.
The lady asked me, the local manager asked me, right, after I done say so hurtful things and she don't want me in the school system and she carry this to the board and we get fired. And a whole lot of things like that. That didn't faze me, you know. That part didn't faze me. When she would say, I don't know, I didn't even think about that. That simple is there. She would say, try, you know, tantalize me. Then they tell me, miss, you don't got nothing to say. I said, miss,
what?
It's my right not to say anything. Anyways, if I didn't say anything, what difference do you want to make? You disrespectful. You say, oh, you disrespectful because you don't say nothing. And when people talk to you, you must answer. Like, how that make me disrespectful? And anyway, they said, well, miss, make sure you catch that thing on the end. Put that down, you know. Put that down. You tell the principal. I'm like, oh. Then he said, see you later, yeah? He said, we don't want your letter. I said, miss, the letter is part of my right. I want it in my P file because teachers have a P file at school, and I need it in my P file. I won't take the letter back. He said, no, this is not a pen pal thing.
What?
It's not a pen pal thing. You can't write back. He said, you can't tell me where for the. You can't write back. I'm like, miss, I am not taking this letter because I want it in my file. The response to the oral reprimand that I got. That letter where I got for that going to church, it is my response to that letter. So I would like it in the P file. Oh no, you can't tell me what to do. So you know when the lady ball up letters, when the lady told me take my letter, after take my letter to take me, and it tear it up under my face, tear it up under my face. I said, this is where I wanted to.
You hear what she said? She said the lady.
I don't today people don't, you know. I feel like I've been victimized, yeah, and I don't understand what people got against me because of the liar letter. Because I talk for my rights about my hour break.
Exactly.
You come out at me like this. And then what tell me I disrespectful, but you tear up my letter front of my face, in my face, and tell me that way you do. That's him. If I'm disrespectful, and it hurt, don't get me wrong, could see something like that happen, and blatant disrespect me as a teacher. It me hurt, and all I do, I just walk with my lady at the office. I walked away. I said nothing. I left that right side. Hurt.
Look, my people, let me tell you something, see? Based on some things that the female said in that video, if I find myself in a situation like what she explained in that video of your subscribers, where someone tear up a letter that I write in response to some form of oral reprimand, as you say, see? You know what I would do? I would take up those pieces of the letter, you know, put them in a bag or something, and report them to the necessary authorities. Well, let me say it all over back in a better way. I think that the first thing I would wisely do is video record those pieces of letters on the ground and keep the phone or the device video recording while I take up those pieces of the letter and put it either in my hand, my pocket, but I put them somewhere. Put as many of them as I can, if all of them if possible, pieces of them if possible, and carry that plus explain the situation to the necessary authorities, because there are necessary authorities out there that can handle certain situations when it comes down to people being treated bad at their job in viewers and subscribers. You see me? If I even something to do with some form of teachers association or something. You see me? Because based on some things that the female say in the video, whosoever tear up the letter didn't handle that situation professionally. No. You understand me? So, me I tell you what I would do, viewers and subscribers. So, me I say, I'm gonna like you tell me what would you do. Say, so imagine she write a letter in response to a situation, as she says so. And she said somebody tear it up. See? the what? Me people, listen to me. This world is not level. It rotates here. So what goes around comes around. Remember that. Anyways, let me know what you think about the things that the female said in that video. And tell me what would you do if you ever find yourself in a situation like that. Alright? Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.